Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 5 of Learning How to Crochet. In this episode, we are learning how to do the magic circle, also can be known as magic ring. This is one of my favorite techniques and I use it to start most of my crochet projects. So let's get started. Grab your yarn and crochet hook. Find the end of your yarn and wrap it around your first 2 fingers on your non-dominant hand and cross the yarn over. Adjust the yarn if you need to. Place your crochet hook under the crossed over yarn. Then wrap the hook around the yarn and pull back through. Wrap your yarn around the crochet hook above the crossover yarn and pull back through the loop on the crochet hook. Pull tight. Next we'll do a chain stitch and then 6 single crochet stitches into the magic circle. Pull the magic circle tight by pulling the end of the yarn. Do a slip stitch into the chain stitch to finish the first round. It took me a little bit of practice to learn this technique, so don't give up, keep practicing, you will get there. Thanks for watching.